Welcome to JH. I gave Pharm's Ashwagandha a shot, and the first thing that hit me, besides the realization that I'm now officially the person who takes herbal tinctures, was how smooth these liquid drops are. The taste is surprisingly mild and blends right into water or juice, making it easy to swallow without having to question your life choices every single morning. After sticking with it for a while, I actually started feeling some balanced energy throughout the day, coupled with a calmer, more focused mind. It's basically a steady sense of wellness that helps you handle busy days without the usual urge to scream into a nearby pillow. Apparently, being a functional human being is much easier when your nervous system isn't constantly vibrating with existential dread. What really stands out about this stuff is how natural and gentle it feels while still actually doing something. It supports stress relief and focus in a way that fits seamlessly into a routine, unlike those miracle supplements that mostly just give you expensive urine and heart palpitations. It's a high-quality herbal addition that's earned a permanent spot in my daily regimen for the clarity and calm it brings, or at least for keeping me from losing my cool before the coffee even kicks in.